Stop the clock. If you thought you knew FPV, if you thought you'd seen the pinnacle of aerial cinematography, prepare to have your entire perception of drone flight annihilated. The biggest secret in drone technology is about to be revealed. This is not just a leak, this is a revolution. For too long, we've been forced to choose the adrenaline of FPV or the pristine, stable, cinematic quality of a traditional drone. DJI's next creation, the hypothetical rumored Avata 360, fuses these two worlds into something so powerful, so creatively liberating, it's going to make every existing drone feel ancient. This isn't just about flying. It's about seeing, capturing, and experiencing the world in a way that was literally impossible until now. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We've compiled the deepest intelligence on its flight stability, its impossible camera system, and the revolutionary goggles. Do not click away. Because the game-changing feature we'll reveal later, a secret, immersive flight mode, is the reason professionals will drop every other drone they own and rush to buy this one. The camera system impossible. True 360 FPV. Let's address the name. Avata 360. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. The most compelling and shocking leak suggests DJI has engineered a system that captures truly omnidirectional, spherical footage. We're talking about combining FPV adrenaline with post-production freedom. The technology is rumored to involve multiple, high-resolution, synchronized lenses housed within the protected Avata cage. These aren't just wide-angle cameras. They capture the full sphere, allowing for reframing magic in post. You fly the drone recklessly, worry-free, and then decide where the camera was looking. This totally eliminates the need for a physical gimbal. Imagine this. You rip through a canyon, and when you get back to the edit suite, you can smoothly pan the virtual camera to track a subject on the ground, or pull back to reveal the incredible mountain range, all from that one FPV flight. This is the death of missed shots in dynamic flight. The rumored sensor technology. We're looking at dual 6K sensors working in tandem, producing a final stitched 360 sphere that can be punched in for beautiful, stabilized 4K flat footage, even after being heavily reframed. Immersive flight and the goggles. The Avata line has always been defined by its FPV goggles. The Avata 360 is rumored to introduce goggles 3.0, a massive leap in immersion and clarity. The current pain point is latency and resolution. The Avata 360 is expected to utilize a completely new, custom-developed DJI O4 transmission system with sub-10 ms latency. But the key improvement is the visuals. Leaks suggest a shift to micro-OLED displays within the goggles. This provides perfect black levels and infinite contrast, solving the washed-out look that plagues current FPV goggles. We are talking about a 1080p or even 2K per eye resolution, finally eliminating the screen door effect and giving pilots an incredibly sharp, detailed view of their flight path. The feeling of flying will be exponentially more realistic. Now, the secret feature I promised, the Reality Overlay Mode. Rumors suggest the goggles 3.0 will include discrete front-facing cameras that provide a color, high-resolution mixed reality pass-through. This allows pilots to quickly toggle between the fully